At 9, a manhunt is underway for a father who took off in handcuffs, leaving his 2 children in a car that was infested with insects.
The man's girlfriend is in jail tonight facing drug charges. The 2 children are with the Department of Human Resources.
Fox 10 News reporter Candace Murphy sorts it all out. Candace?
Well, the Linnaeus Pritchard police are searching for a man named Eric Sims, who was last seen running from officers near the intersection of Lott Road and Highway 45. He had handcuffs on. But the most shocking part of this story has to do with the children. I want to warn everybody, some of the details are disturbing. Early this morning, Pritchard police say they noticed a broken down car sitting in this parking lot. Police say 27-year-old Crystal Powell and 26-year-old Eric Sims were asleep inside the car with a 1-year-old and a 2-year-old in the back seat. Both have a history of arrests, and a source tells us drugs were inside the car.
The synthetic marijuana, what they call spice, it was inside of the vehicle along with other stuff, and both of them were high on it.
I'm told when officers checked in the back seat, they found a 1- and 2-year-old with ants and roaches crawling all over them.
The kids, they were passed out in the car. It's scary.
Detectives arrested Powell and charged her with endangering the welfare of a child, possession of a controlled substance, and drug paraphernalia. Police arrested Sims, but say he managed to slip his handcuffs in front of him and escape. Police chased after Sims on foot. He is still on the run. The children were taken to DHR. The source I spoke with says she is worried for the 1-year-old.
I don't know if the baby's been given her medicine or not. It's a beta blocker she has to take. And without her medicine, she could die.
I'm told the 1-year-old's medicine was given to DHR. If you know where Eric Sims is hiding, call Pritchard Police.
Meantime, Pritchard police are also trying to track down a